It was petting zoo day at little Noah's preschool. There were goats, bunnies, a chicken named Kevin, and a majestic llama named Alfredo. Noah approached Alfredo with a big smile and a handful of grass. "Hi, fluffy horsey." Alfredo blinked. Noah held up the grass like an offering. "For you," Alfredo sniffed again, and then, "Achoo!" A llama sneeze is not just a sneeze, it's like a fire hose of warm mist and regrets. Noah stood there, completely soaked, eyes wide. Everyone froze. Noah looked down at his soggy shirt, then back up at Alfredo and said, "Bless you." Alfredo licked his ear. They've been best friends ever since.